Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Complex Agent Workflows with LangGraph. Orchestrating AI for Big Projects. Imagine you have a super smart robot that can write amazing stories. That's fantastic for one task. But what if your project needs it to first research facts? Then write, then create images, and then post on social media? A single robot can't do all that sequentially and intelligently. This is where orchestrating AI comes in, getting multiple AI brains to work together like a well-oiled team. This lesson will show you how to build such AI teams for complex projects. Think of an agent workflow as an assembly line. But for AI, each station on the line is a specialized AI agent. A smart program designed for a specific job. One agent might specialize in understanding questions, another in searching the web, another in summarizing text, and another in making decisions. A workflow is simply the defined path or sequence these agents follow, passing information from one to the next to achieve a bigger goal. It's how we make AI do more than just one trick. Building these AI assembly lines can get messy. How do you decide which AI agent goes next? What if an agent needs to redo a step? What if a human needs to approve something mid-process? This is where LangGraph comes in. Think of LangGraph as the ultimate project manager or a traffic controller for your AI agents. It gives you a structured way to define who does what, when, and how information flows between them, making complex AI interactions manageable and robust. LangGraph uses simple concepts to build powerful workflows. Less than all greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than nodes. Less than b greater than these are your individual AI agents or specific actions. Each node is like a station on your assembly line, doing one specific job, e.g., summarize text, search database, ask for clarification. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than edges. Less than b greater than these are the connections between nodes, showing the path information takes. Think of them as conveyor belts or arrows on a flowchart, directing where the output of one node goes next. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than state. Less than b greater than this is like a shared whiteboard or a common memory space that all nodes can read from and write to. It holds all the ongoing information, decisions, and data of your workflow, ensuring everyone on the AI team is on the same page. Less than li greater than less than all greater than. LangGraph isn't just about simple sequences. It shines when things get tricky and need smart handling. Less than all greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than conditional logic. Less than b greater than if the user is happy. Finish. Else. Ask for more details. LangGraph lets your AI make smart decisions on which path to take. Next. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than loops and feedback. Less than b greater than if the search results aren't good enough. Try searching again. You can define cycles where AI agents re-evaluate and refine their work. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than human in the loop. Less than b greater than before publishing. Send to a human for approval. You can integrate human oversight or intervention at any point in the workflow, combining AI power with human judgment. This makes your AI applications much more flexible and powerful for big, real-world projects. Less than li greater than less than all greater than. Let's imagine building an AI research assistant with LangGraph. Less than ol greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than node 1. User input. Less than b greater than understands your research question. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than node 2. Web search agent. Less than B greater than searches the internet based on the question. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than Node 3. Summarizer agent. Less than B greater than summarizes the search results. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than Node 4. Decision agent. Less than B greater than evaluates if the summary fully answers the question. Less than all greater than less than Li greater than less than I greater than if yes. Less than I greater than final answer. Path ends. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than I greater than if no. Less than I greater than goes back to less than B greater than Node 2 less than B greater than with a refined search query. Loop, or asks you for more input. Human in the loop. Less than Li greater than less than ul greater than less than ol greater than LangGraph helps you map out and execute this entire dynamic process seamlessly. For you, the developer, LangGraph is a game changer. It provides a clear, programmatic way to less than ul greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than structure complex logic. Less than B greater than no more spaghetti code for AI interactions. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than debug with ease. Less than B greater than you can visualize your workflow and pinpoint exactly where an issue occurs. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than build. Scalable systems. Less than B greater than design workflows that can grow and adapt as your project's needs change. Less than Li greater than less than Li greater than less than B greater than focus on innovation. Less than B greater than spend less time on orchestration and more time on creating truly intelligent and impactful AI solutions. It transforms the way we build AI, moving from simple bots to sophisticated, multitasking AI applications. Less than Li greater than less than ul greater than. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.